I'm cooking a 5-pound lamb roast, boneless, in our new Ninja 6-in-1 toaster oven. It's an air fryer, toaster, convection oven, regular oven, and broiler. I've got it set for 2.5 hours for this 5-pound roast. Well, after 2.5 hours, we're still not quite there. So we'll put it in for another half hour. Well, after 3 hours, it's done perfect. All wrapped up. Just need to let it cool and then set it in the refrigerator. Be cut for sandwiches later. This is where it'll reside until we're ready to eat it.